This mid-century modern light fixture appealed to me, so I was eager to unbox it and see it in person. It was well packaged, ensuring each piece was secured in place during transit.
You gotta get the screw, find a hole, make sure righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, push the wheel button. Make sure you go nice and steady. You go fast if you want, but then you gotta make sure to slow it down. Right now it's pulling that box a little closer to the fixture, so now it's pretty good. Make sure it's level, get your level out, put it on there. Make sure that little bubble you see there is right in the middle, and it is. So I need to get my third and fourth hands out and hold this while I screw these in. It's kind of tough with just two hands that most normal people were given from birth. Lucky for me, I got four. So I'm able to do all this stuff without banging up that wall too much. Is that funny? Make it nice and tight and steady. Easy Eddie. There she goes. And then this one here, right here, this is your ground wire. You gotta make sure to wrap it around that little bolt on the fixture plate. Tighten it nice and good. Get it on there, and then we'll tighten that up with a screwdriver here.
I love how the hammered glass light shade juxtaposes the matte black backplate. The antique brass finish on the light socket offers a nice touch that coordinates with the brass screws. It's all in the details. This versatile fixture would be stunning as a bathroom vanity light. However, I wanted it to place it on our staircase wall. With the option of mounting it so the light is cast downward or upward, I opted to have the lighting upward like a wall sconce.